guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. In last class we discussed about the quality and quality behaviors. So inside the software testing tutorial, so today we are going to discuss about a new topic. So the topic name is service versus product. So when you are attending any interviews, they are introduced about their organizations. So our organization is a service based and our organization is a product based, like that. So coming to that, first I am going to discuss about the product. So what about this product? Product is nothing but a software developed for multiple customers. Okay, so multiple customer means, so like any client, they will use this application. Now coming to the second one is service. Service based is nothing but a software developed for single customer usage. So multiple customers usage, here single customer usage. So what is the difference means the multiple user and single user means? So let us take example product based. I am taking a Google organization and it is an example, and here I taking a TCS is the example for service based. So what is about this product based means, now you can observe Google is an organization. Okay, so they will develop a software products. So Google having their multiple applications like GPay, Google Drive, YouTube, Google, and like Google Files we have, Google Photos we have, Google Maps we have. So these organizations, they can develop their own products. They cannot ask another one, we require some projects. Okay, so they are having some products, they are developing the software for their products only. Now coming to the service, here I taken a TCS. TCS is a one service based company. It means like I have a one enterprise, I have a one shop, my shop, they have a some items. I need to send customer these products via online. So I required a one software application. I am a shop owner, but I don't know the how to develop a software. Now this is my project. I consulting to this TCS and I am introducing my project details to them. So they will develop the application and they will provide. And TCS means, so they will taking the customer's requirement and they are developing the software and deploying to the customer. You can see product based means these organizations are developing their own softwares, but coming to the service based, they are getting the clients and getting the client requirement and developing the software and delivering to the customer. So this is the difference between product and service. So guys, so this is about the topic today. So what we discussed here means, what is the meaning by service based organizations and what is the meaning of product based organizations. Thank you guys, and if you are like this type of videos, please supporting to SP Global Solution. Thank you.